gentlemen, welcome to the Global Mindset University and Success Coach. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal.
And my name is Shad Rashid.
On today's episode, I have invited Shadia Rashid here to work on a really challenging work. So this is really interesting where she can apply some HTML, JavaScript, and as well as a little bit of CSS. As you can see, going to the couple of CSS. So it's a challenge. It's called creator. So got a couple of creator here, and we'll see what will happen when we combine the two animals. So you combine those two animals and you create a creature using a code. So that's the ultimate behind this code is to bring that real experience. So when you combine two different creatures, you're going to be able to create a different creature. So with that, it's just realistic. Let's say you have a given environment and there's another environment. When you mix them, you'll get a different thing, right? 1 plus 1 is not 1 plus 1 equals 2, right? The same thing. So 2 is different from 1. And 2 is different from 1 as well. So that way, this is a kind of a creature. So it's really a mental game coding. So in general, if we talk about coding, it's really increased. In some research, they say it will increase your mental thinking by 3,000, problem solving, 3,000%, 300%, excuse me, 300%. Now, I'm going to give time before introducing Sharia. Let's just take a little bit of time. As you can see, my name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal. I'm a ServiceNow developer, data scientist, and also a big data analytics. So in general, my career has been really wide open, especially on the healthcare area and analytics and developing a number of applications to manage work easy for people and also to save time and save money or increase the productivity rate using the IT service management for the portfolio management, all those cool stuff. So when I give a time to Shadia to introduce herself. Shadia, would you please introduce yourself?
Oh, well, my name is Shad Rashid. I am 7 years old, and I've been learning coding for a little more than a year. And coding is very interesting and fun for me. So now we're going to do the challenge, Creature Creator.
Yeah, Shadi, if you can also add a little bit about the reason behind this code. You're going to apply a couple of things here, like HTML, right? The hypertext markup language, and JavaScript, where it can give you some interactivity, and also you can apply some CSS.
Yeah, some CSS.
So if you can tell us a little bit about some of the things in this area.
Oh, so do you see this? Why is it the color blue? Well, in HTML, you can't change the colors, but you can do that in CSS. Do you know that you can combine HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Yes, they're programming languages.
Right. So HTML it's a programming language, computer programming.
And it's also the backbone of the program.
Yes, it is. Yeah. Definitely. Like if you think about DOM manipulation, the document object, you can manipulate that using your HTML. And when it comes to the JavaScript, it gives you the interactivity. If you think of a button, sometimes you might click a login button or a submit button. Those are possible through the JavaScript. And when it comes to the CSS, it gives you that color. See, the
like
color
styling.
Yes.
Styling.
Or it could be the size, the font size, or the weight. And the color over here is like, for example, there is a blue on line number 13, right, Shadi? It's blue. So you apply blue on the chart. All right, Shadi, if you can just directly start going over through the challenge. Let's read the
Instructions.
instruction first. That's where we get the 50% of the work done.
Show the result. This web page displays images of two different animals. Feel free to change them if you'd like, but that's not what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and continue. Use jQuery to create a new paragraph that describes the result of combining those two animals. Make up a new name for your hybrid animal. Then append that new paragraph to the bottom of the page. So what we're going to be doing here, we're going to do var. We're going to add a new variable, var new p, jQuery, okay. After we've done that, let's go and go here. The next thing we'll need to do is okay. We're going to go ahead and get some text. So what are we going to name it? Well, I think we should name it a spider shark instead of a shark spider. Spider shark. Spider shark. I wish that was a real animal. Then it would look like a shark that kind of looks like a spider. Spider shark. Or spider monkey, but just let's keep it spider shark. So this is going to be the text that's going to appear. Let's see. Add class
Yeah, so that's how we can start
result semicolon. You better not. You can't. Yeah. So that it will know. It looks like there's a semicolon. That means they're going to end the page. So they don't need to worry about that. jQuery body, not bossy, body. Append new p. New p. And semicolon. Okay, you have a closing body tag. Where is it? There. But it does not pair with the opening paragraph tag. Okay, where is it? Where's the P? Well, we have the opening body. So what could be the problem? This is likely due to a missing or misordered ending paragraph tag. I don't think so. We missed anything.
So you got the new key, which is the variable assigned us for the jQuery key. So new key dot text, okay, and you got spider shop,
Which means it's going to appear at the bottom.
yes, dot add class,
which is going to be the result.
Okay, then the jQuery, now we're going to run the bot, and you append that to new key on the line.
So it says you have a closing body tag.
The closing body tag. Yeah, do you have the closing body tag?
Yes, just there.
Yeah, and that doesn't pair with the opening tag key. Oh,
which must be this one. Well, let's click show me where.
We need a closing for key.
Which is just here.
Look, yeah, that's an opening key. Where's the closing for that key? Actually, we don't need for that one because you already have on 24 key class. To the first slider, let's do. So on line 20, you have key. Okay.
Yeah, it needs that so that it can know var new p is going to equal to the j. It's going to equal to a paragraph. So then, yeah.
What do you have in line 31, Shadi?
Line 31.
You have scripts.
Oh, I know what the problem is. I need to put this inside the script. There.
There we go.
You get a shark spider or spider shark. There. We have done it.
Congratulations.
That was the only problem I was missing. I forgot that I needed to put it inside the script tag. Not there, because this is outside the script tag. So you could say, that doesn't look like HTML or CSS, but for real, it is HTML, except not where it's supposed to be. So, let's see. There's a spider and a shark. Mixed up together is a spider shark. So, let's see. Let's reload it. You finished both of them.
Yes.
Now use jQuery to add the class name result. Okay. I thought this part was supposed to be in this part. That means there would only be one step. But that wasn't true. Wow. Okay, that was simple. So,
Great. Thank you so much, Shadi. I mean, this is a really great example to use jQuery, JavaScript, and as well as HTML. So for those of you who are new to programming, and you might be wondering what jQuery is. So basically, jQuery it is a JavaScript library. It's a library.
Yeah, it's like a library. It's like a library full of books of programming,
Exactly.
like that.
So what it would do, Ashadi, it's a full of what? Design simplified HTML and DOM tree traverse. Yeah, when we say library, within that library you will have HTML and DOM tree. We talked about DOM, right? The document object model, where you can manipulate given HTML and the data as well. So that's what we call jQuery. So it will simplify your life very easy. And as well as like even handling, taking care of events like clickable events or any other events you have.
Did you know that even with jQuery, you can even create buttons, also in interactivity.
Because here is the thing, there is a CSS animation, it also has Ajax, which is asynchronous JavaScript, what you call it, asynchronous JavaScript. What it does mean is it will give you asynchronously. Asynchronously means without waiting for the server to respond. So you can see the change within the browser right there. So there's no waiting time here. So jQuery used by 73% of the 10 million most popular websites. Go to, now how many websites we have? There are 110 million popular websites. From those, think about it, 73% of them use jQuery.
Wow.
Yes, it simplifies your DOM manipulation, DOM, which is document object manipulation. Not only that, jQuery is really helpful in applying some CSS. You can apply CSS, and as well as not only that, think about animation. Animation, you can create animation so easy, and also Ajax. Most important, which is asynchronous JavaScript. And for those of you who are asking still, like when it was initially released, it's not really way back. It's just in 2006. So that's when it was, and the original author was John Resign, and it's just written using the JavaScript. So that's will conclude today's episode. I want to say thank you so much to Shadia for coming here to the studio of the Global Mindset University and Success Coach. And I say thank you so much for coming and doing this keynote for us. Guys, have any questions or comment, you can send it directly to askashadi at servicenow.com, or you can send it in the comments below. You can drop them in the comments below. All right, that's all we have. And again, thank you so much, Shadi, for coming here, and hopefully we can
you're welcome.
See you everyone on YouTube on the next episode. Oh, wait. I'm really excited to give you an update about the Global Mindset University and as well as the Success Coach YouTube channel. So now you can find new videos every day, and there is a kind of videos that make you, tries to learn and also look at, life differently. Even you can make a laugh a little bit, like some of the videos, especially with inventions, different kinds of invention, and also business idea. Those all, give you that laughable experience, and as well as some kind of knowledge. So feel free to subscribe to the Global Mindset University and as well as Success Coach today. So you will see, we'll see you on the next time on YouTube. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal.
And he is with Ashadi Rashid.